If you've been thinking about protecting your retirement savings with precious metals, you might have heard about a Palladium IRA rollover. But what exactly is it, and how do you do it step by step? Let's break it down right now so you know exactly how to safeguard your future. First, why palladium? It's a rare precious metal with growing industrial demand and a track record for holding value. Diversifying into palladium can help protect your IRA from market swings and inflation. Two things retirees worry about a lot these days. Now, here's how you can do a Palladium IRA rollover in clear steps. Step 1. Confirm your eligibility. You need an existing traditional IRA or 401k with at least $1,000 or more to start. If your funds are in a 401k, you may need to roll them into a traditional IRA first before purchasing Palladium. Step 2. Choose a reputable custodian. This is critical because your IRA must be managed by a custodian approved to handle precious metals IRAs. Look for transparency, low fees, and a solid track record. This protects you from scams or overpriced metals. Step 3. Open your self-directed IRA account. This gives you control to invest in physical palladium bars or coins, which aren't available in regular IRAs. Step 4. Initiate the rollover or transfer. Contact your current IRA or 401k provider and request a direct rollover or transfer to your new self-directed IRA custodian. Make sure the funds go directly between custodians to avoid penalties. Step 5. Select your Palladium investment. Once funds are in your self-directed IRA, work with your custodian to purchase IRS-approved Palladium bars or coins. Remember, the IRS has strict rules about the purity and types of Palladium allowed. Step 6. Secure storage. Your Palladium must be stored in an IRS-approved depository. You can't keep it at home. Your custodian will arrange this, ensuring your metals are safe and compliant. Step 7. Monitor your investment. Like any IRA, you want to stay informed about the Palladium market, fees, and custodian service quality. Regular check-ins help you make adjustments if needed. Here's the AHCHA moment. Many retirees don't realize that a Palladium IRA rollover isn't complicated if you follow these steps carefully. But skipping any step can lead to costly tax penalties or loss of control over your savings. Remember, diversification isn't just about stocks and bonds anymore. Adding palladium offers a hedge against inflation and currency fluctuations. That peace of mind can be priceless, especially when you've worked decades to build your nest egg. If this sounds like a smart move for your retirement, don't wait. Get our free Gold IRA guide tailored specifically for American retirees with $100,000 or more in an IRA or 401k. It's a no-pressure educational resource designed to help you understand how to protect your savings. No gimmicks, no sales pressure, just clear, honest information. We also offer a quick, one-on-one call to see if a Palladium IRA or other precious metals IRA could be a good fit for your retirement plan. Because your future deserves protection, and you deserve peace of mind knowing your hard-earned money is secure for the next generation. Take that first step today and get the guide. Your retirement security is worth it.